Hello guys. I'm in the business communications class and we were asked to explore this new recording or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is my calendar. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is my calendar for the semester. This is September. As you can see, I'm still adding some more stuff to it. But yeah, and then this is October. It's just pretty much most of my classes. I haven't added my work schedule on here yet, but yeah, I work at the university. I work in admissions office. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm still adding a few, like I said before, I'm still adding a few, and trying to explore this. I'm trying to explore it and see how it goes. But yeah, this is my calendar for the semester. Yeah, I'm a senior. I'm studying kinesiology, minoring in business, as you all can probably wondering why I'm taking a business class. But yeah, minoring in business. And yeah,